Hello, I'm going to show you how to add a new mailing list. There are two ways to do this. The first way is if we just want to create the list without adding any context to that, we'll do that first. So we will create a new list here. What we want to do is we're going to create a list here. We're going to do the accounting, so I just clicked on this, copied that. We're going to go over here and we're going to paste that and paste that. So these are your accounting team members. Just add a description there. We will go ahead and save that, and that is all done. So we're good here. We don't have any contacts in here, but now what we're going to do is, since your customer service team is pretty small, I will go ahead make changes to, pardon me, that's the wrong one. I will want to insert first name, and then this will be last name. Then I will just quickly go there and just remove these. Just do that quickly. Obviously, that's not what we wanted to do. That. So now we have this. So what we want to do when we're uploading something to the system, we want to make sure that it is an Excel sheet that only has that sheet. So here we're going to go and copy. We're going to go ahead and create a new Excel, paste in there. I'm going to go over here. I just like to make sure the fields are all correct. So here we want to make sure that the date is set on short dates, and the anniversary is also set on short date. So that looks good there. Everything looks good here. Now we're going to go here, and this is customer service. Just have that. Just for goodwill, I'm going to delete these here. I'm going to save this as a CSV. So go down here to CSV, and we will name this customer service. CSA customer service. Perfect. Now we'll save that. We'll click yes. Everything looks good. Now we're going to go to Bronto, and we're going to go to manage. This is a little different from the other one. We're going to go to import. We're going to agree to all this. We're going to go to employees from licensee. Then we're going to go to next. And we do want to import from a CSV file. We're going to go to choose file. Going to go to documents. And we're going to find the correct file. We are doing service. We want to make sure the first row is a header row. We're select I don't know my character set. We're going to go to next. We're going to go to update existing contacts, add new contacts, existing transactional remains existing transactional. We're going to go to next. We do not want to inform on either. Next. Now, this is where the mapping we had in our Excel sheet, first name, so it's mapped to first name to last name, email to email, birthday to birthday, work anniversary. So in our Excel spreadsheet, we have work anniversary, but in the system, we have hire date. We can keep it work anniversary on our Excel sheet, and we can come over here and select hire dates. We're going to go to next. What spreadsheet what mailing list do we want this on? We want this on our master lists, and we don't have a spreadsheet for mailing list for customers. So we're going to a customer service. So we're going to create a new list. Here we will type in, or we can copy and paste. Well, it won't let me. So customer service. I will go ahead and add CSA there. That's the internal name. Typically, I'll just go ahead and use it as an external name too. Go over to the next. We don't want to remove anymore, so next. We will go ahead and do an email, and this is where you type in your email address to let you know that everything is good. So ward.torger@amzur.com. Next, this is the review everything. So it's import, new contact edition, existing contact update. It's coming from a comma separated value, CSV file. This is the name of the file. Header row is present, contact source, the field mapping, no to contacting, no to existing contact. Then these are the lists we're adding it to, and this is where it's getting notified. We'll click finish. Everything will be good there. If you'd like to see how it is working, we'll go to reports to see how if the activity is done. In case you have a larger file sending out, it looks as though activity is done. Up here is where you get notifications. It looks as though we had no errors because everything is green. Everything looks good. So I'm going to hit dismiss so I don't keep getting these for this one. And now I will go to my contacts. I will go to my lists. I will look for the customer service. CS customer service. You have 6 files here. Just because I do like to have all the CSAs up here, I'm going to add a CSA label. And here, this is helpful because if you don't want to see everything else, this will show you everything that has to do with CSA. So I'll clear that. I will find customer service. Then you go over here. This is edit the list. This is copy list. This is add and remove labels, which we'll click on. Select from existing, CSA. Add selected label. Save changes. Now it's there. If we want to look at the mailing list, we can go in here. We can see all this data. If we have emailed anything, we want to view the contacts, we can go in here and it'll tell us everyone that is on that contact team. So hopefully that is helpful. And if you have any questions, feel free to let me know. I'm more than happy to help. All right, perfect.